right, good morning everybody. We're out here in Pomona, California. LA Roadsters car show, swap meet. Some swap meetage going on back yonder. I was in trouble. I parked on the, I don't know where in the hell, on the other side of the moon over there, and I walked through here and I said, uh-oh, I didn't see any beer gardens, but there's one back there somewhere. So it's gonna be a good day, Tater. So, take a walk. Some more of those cars. So yeah, the Bonneville Flats, right? So here it says it's a 200 mile an hour car. There's all kinds of goodies out here. It's still early bird. You know how we go, how we do, how we did, even then how we're doing. Custom action. Pomona Fairplex. Gonna be warm today. Been lucky. Some of the other shows so far it's been overcast. Not so much today. Pretty cool. Getting a little risky in my voice over here. Still need some seatage. Certainly going to be some stuff out here today that I don't see every day or every other day. Stuff that's different to this channel. So hey, you don't know unless you go. We're out here to bring it. Done been brung. Some speed cars. Whole lot of go-go. Pretty sweet. Get these things out on the the hell they call that, out there in the desert. Yeah, all kinds of goodies. You're looking to build a little hot rod, bucket, a couple of them out here. All right. Take a walk through here, see what we got. Gonna be a lot of cars here, so we'll try and do the boot scoot boogie through them. Do you hear that car backing in? Neither do I. Is that electric? Uh-oh. Original 63 out here. Red on red on red. And some more red. Fuel injected. The sound of some bumpity bumps in the back. Saw a buddy of mine that just hooked up with over there. Saying this is my first time here, and he says this place is gonna get filled up, so there's already quite a few vehicles here. Might not get detailed on all of them here, but at least you get a look-see. Impala with the skirts, convertible, Corvette. State the obvious, right? Lots of hot rods out here. Mainly what it's gonna be. And cold beer, right? And Bazinga. Let's see what kind of ice cold goodness we got over here. This, we got some ice cold carbonated beverage. So far, of course, yeah, and the only damn one in line. Go figure. Only 7 o'clock in the morning. Gotta get breakfast done right. early. Let's see if we can get some rolling action over here. See if we can get the rumble at the bumpity bump. Poison ivy. Merc. Not poison ivy from the movie Lowriders. It's a pretty bad green. Woo-wee. El Camino Love. Jive in the back over there. Load these things in. Close and personal. El Camino Love. No mad. Says you can't get mad. Cooler off. Badass cars coming in right here. We've got a jet fan on this one. That El Camino Love. Bronco. Cheer Fest over here. rivets. Old hot rod style. Some badass flames on here. Closed in over here. Youngsters in the back seat. I don't know. Be careful. That's how babies are made. Beautiful color on here. Can't see it so much yet. It's in the shade. Some delivery. The kush kush or what? Oh, bad things are definitely happening in there. Whoop-de-whoop. We didn't have that poster. 2 and 1 here. Let's see. Get going on. Rockin' Rebel. Style exhaust pipes going down the side. Some badass graphics. No shadow. Me and my shadow. For sale over here. Oh, good. Chevelle.
Never know. It could happen. I'll do the project.
Clean under the hood. This thing sounded nice when it was rumbling in. Chevelle. Show and shine. Morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, all right. Beautiful day out here in Pomona. Fairplex, LA Roadsters, car show, swap meet, and beer. Forget the booty. Finished. Well, yeah, it's a Volvo. They all like this? You got a Super Sport badge on the side. Here we go. Keeping that flathead in there.
How you doing, man? How far are you driving? Oh, no, I'm not far. Claremont. Oh, cool. No, not far at all. Yeah.
Bodied Impala, drop top. Living the orange life, I guess. Home Depot? I don't know. 42K. 396 in there. Pretty sweet rides out here. Again, Pomona Fairplex, Patina Life. Wink wink with the Jeep. LA Roadsters show. It's in Mercury heaven around here, huh? Small block in there. Frankovich. He was here yesterday. He's here again today. If you've never watched his stuff, check him out. Yeah, it's pretty badass. Get a couple different shots of her. Those old hot rod style slots put in the hood. They're race ready. Here, nice 62. That 62 booty. Fairplex, LA Roadsters, and yes, the ice cold carbonated beverages are tasty and ice cold. Tennessee, pretty nice Chevelle. Supposed to get pretty warm today. The lady over there at my beer table says, oh man, it's gonna be 100 degrees. I don't think it's gonna get that hot, but it's gonna feel like it. Been having some pretty cool weather, so you know, right after it's been cool for a while and it gets up in the 80s, maybe 90, feels like it's a whole lot more because your body's just not used to it. Let's go. Don't know unless you go. We're done finding out. C10, long bed. Churro. Morning, how you doing?
Morning.
That is a sweet ride. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. Hit an old man in public. All right, check this out. What are you gonna do here?
Yeah, I gotta go here.
Keep it original. Bopping back and forth, kinda. But when you're out and about, I get ready to turn around. You get some of that ACTION, baby. I'm paraphrasing the king. Oh, let me tell you a little something. In case you guys couldn't tell, that was my Elvis impression. Oh, tucked away in the corner over here. Really clean. Nice. Goodies in the back. Really clean all the way inside and out. Good job. He left it running. I think he wants me to go ahead and valet park it for him. No? Yeah, probably not. Loaded. How many guys can we get in one car? An old car? Quite a few. Might not be so happy in the back seat. Check out this Impala. Got some nice paint. Tall tire, tall wheel on there anyway. Woo-wee. Skeeted a little bit in my shorts. El Camino Love. Guess he changed his mind on the price. The Rambler. No seats like that today, huh? Still rolling in. I think they're late for a date. Little turbo fan on there. You can hear that thing? grainy.
I mean, it's cool like this.
More rat fink homage there on the back. The back side of that T-Bird. How does that song, the bird, 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 bird of the word, not go through your head? All right, Pete Paul Rubens, huh? Pee-wee? Brought it to life. The bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word.
Go check it out.
Next to some Moscow. Step through and get this thing from the back. Rat fink action in there. That patina. And the hood ornament. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Sun is starting to crest through here. Well, it's more than cresting through. Some of these cars were parked in the shade. And now you can see the deep colors of the paint. Hold on. Well, only half of that guy. Thought I knew that guy. He looked familiar. There he is. And a star has been sighted. Converted horse trailer. What is this thing? My boy Chuck when they need him. Boyd, huh? Don't rightly think I seen one. Did not bring the El Camino out here. I actually did think about it. And then thought twice. It's kind of a long drive from the San Fernando Valley out to here. And, well, anyway, I would have been coming by my own anyway. So, pop-up tents and all that jazz, get everything all ready. My friends, they don't like coming to these things, whatever reason. This is being around all day part. But how can you get tired of this stuff? What's wrong with those guys? The Deb B livestock transport. It's that Fairlane we saw cruising in a little while ago, next to a little Roadster. Getting a 2-for-1 shot. Paint detail on that grill, I like that. Pretty nice color on this Malibu. Really clean, really clean. Hear those fans. The thing with an older car, you gotta have yourself some good working fans.
It just slipped on
This box. 409. Live action. Me. The detail on those spotlights. Black Widow webbing. Nice. The red in this truck, more amazing. Could I say that anymore? Probably can. Why? Because it's true. Not one to lie to you. Right? Why, of course. Bless their soul. It is time for an ice cold carbonated beverage. Let's go. Cars out here, hot rods, lowriders, bombs, you name it. It's here. Interesting beers here. What happens if you drink Nut Brown? Do you? We went with some F around and find out stuff, some Topa Topa. Let's go. Nomad. The one that came racing by earlier. Nomad coming into right here. Have to talk a little bit. Got the great Neil Diamond in the background, and you can't shush the Diamond. All hail Diamond. Nice power here. Interesting air intake. Filter action. Haven't seen one like that before. For sale. Everything's hidden except for the phone number. They don't want to scare you. Shifter. Horn works. Cars, cars, cars. Hot rods, hot rods. And guess it, you guessed it. There's some more hot rods out here. For the most part, you know, when I look at my analytics, a lot of people don't listen. It's all right. Talk to myself. I'm telepathic. Boy, Chuck is over here sending me texts just because he's what? He's that kind of guy. One thing, man, this Topa Topa beer tastes all right. Tastes pretty good. Fuck. Fart. Got all kinds of flies hanging around me now. The stank. Got a for sale sign. Does that cooler come with it? Arizona. Man, they need a crossing guard over here. Almost had themselves a little accident coming through. Damn electric golf cart came speeding through. Ah, those electrics. No respect for some fuel sucking, horsepower in. Get in, sit down, shut up and hold on, power. Of course, we all know that it's old cars, right? 300 horse was a lot back then, isn't anything today. But man, have your respects for them. You don't make them like these anymore. And the people who keep these things living, clean, how can you not respect it? Of course, now we've got DJ over there going loud and proud and strong, as he should. Keep everybody entertained. Of course, it doesn't work out for us trying to do these shots, but we got to make do, right? Life gives you lemons, like Francois says. Find somebody that life gave him vodka and you have a party. Let's go. Roadsters. This is all Roadsters over here on this side we're going to be getting to right now. They brought a lot of vehicles out here, a lot of representation. Fantastic. Out here, Pomona Fairplex, LA Roadsters show. My boy Joel said he was going to make a plaque for me like that for the El Camino, but I'm sure he's still working on it. Just like the song's about to say, it goes on and on and on and on. Check out this thing. Is that a jet boat? Was it damn dude in his electric car right there, damn near clipped me. Man, these electric guys. This thing is pretty sweet. Get some bumpity bump, thumpity thump. SoCal. Rolling. Nice. Nice little lineup. And then we got the fat guys, like me, not paying any attention. Right. Place is starting to fill up, all kinds of vendors, all kinds of goodies. Flies, son of a biscuit licker. We got a lot of power under here. Check it out. The toe on the front. Older couple in there. You guys can share a hobby. You guys can live a life together. Show and shine. Some Pink's hot dogs. You ever been to Pink's in Hollywood? There's always a line around the block. Right now, bam, 5 minutes. Vehicles here. Let's do some California lane splitting here. Get you 2 for 1. So apologize, yeah, if you want to see each and every car in detail. It's not going to happen. At least it's not going to happen with me. But there are a ton of vehicles out here. So let's walk down, do a little lane splitting, get some steps in. Sometimes you got to pause for some station identification. Don't mind me. Cruising. We'll get this done. A lot of vehicles. Pomona Fairplex, LA Roadsters for sale over here. I've never ridden in one of these things. Seems like it might be terrifying and totally exciting all at the same time. Let's go. Check it out. Get another run from the top. on the other side. Boy, Andy sent me a joke about fat chicks with skinnier little legs. What do they look like? Get out of here, you Tasmanian devil. And or a wisdom tooth. All right. Talking with a guy over there asking about my little gimbal. Aequan is what I'm using. Thing's pretty sweet. Let's check out these cars. Do a little split lane again. I'll be able to get detail on all these things. But at least you can say you saw them, like me. I'll be back after this to do a little walkthrough on my own. Because going like this, like I say, there's so many cars out here. You gotta, not enough time in the day to check everything out. Plus the swap meet that's way back there, forget about it. You know what I'm talking about over here. Bada bing. Yeah, no, California kid. Not from the New York over there, but you know what? I watch a lot of movies. Yeah, and if you're over there on the East Coast, you're saying, shut up, guy. Well, that's all right. You know what? I think this Topa beer is working for certain. But over there in New York, you know what we got now? We got the Dice Man. He's over here on the West Coast. So we love the Dice. Although he was doing a show in Brooklyn, huh? That rat bastard. No, the Dice Man is a nice man. Why am I talking about the Dice? Over here. My phony ass New York accent. Car's still rolling in. I don't know what time it is. I'm guessing it's probably somewhere around 9. The show was supposed to start, I think, at 7. So why are these guys all coming so late? Because they can. Clearly. Temperatures are rising. Fuel's getting burnt. Nice lineup of Roadsters coming through. Different varieties. Different sounds. Like that. Here holding off traffic like you would out on the street. And out here in Pasadena, guys, when you're out here for a car show, it's not always just about the cars. I mean, look at what's around. These flower garden. I think all this over here is added new. But this right here has been around here for a very long time. You just keep your head down, never lift it up. How can you not care about what you got, right? Bless it. Right. Let's keep on going. Good morning.
Morning.
Do some more lane splitting. Try not to fall. Get the Bee Gees going now. So we'll have to stop and start. Lane splitting time. Patina life. Probably, I don't think it's legal to lane split in every state, is it, guys? I don't think so. Not that I'm actually doing any of that right now, but let's go. Well, what I do have is imagination and admiration. Bazinga. For vehicles. So let's go. Rolling through. Check this. Love it. Morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, all right. Here we are, back here lounging, right?
Yeah,
Not too hot yet.
Yeah.
It will be. Mercy. Temperature's going up. You guys need a pop-up tent out here, but I don't think they let you get a pop-up on this side. Get yourself a chair and an umbrella, I think is most they're letting you do over here. It's the LA Roadster side. The other side is still a little more, I don't know, free range? Call it free range. Isn't that a nice way to say it? Check this out. Good match. Right?
That guy was at Randy's party, moving away party.
Guy was hanging out with Randy. The Macho Man! Probably not. Check out this diamond in the rough. It's got dirt from 1932. Got that flathead in there. Gotta love that.
Oh my God.
Ah, that's original. Oh. Original. All right. Another flathead. Got it going. Just talking with a nice gentleman over there asking if I do this professionally, and I say, well, it's hardly professional. It doesn't make a dime. Not yet, but close. So stick with me, guys. Come on. Help me out. Click on the video. Watch it through. You know I'm not the most energetic guy. Well, you know what? I'm out here doing it. For you. For me. And even for, where'd he go? Yeah, that guy over there somewhere. Side-by-side action. Clean it, shine it. Nice little green neon block over here. We were talking about some action shots. That was action right there. Focusing in on the action over here. You gotta get it clean and clean. It looks very nice.
Thank you.
Absolutely. That one-piece windshield on this thing is pretty cool. Scooby-Doo mobile over there in the back. Saw that one roll in. Seen it a couple times, right? Truck over here. Lots of horsies under the hood. Purple gleaming. Some remanufactured patina. You know what the El Camino has? Real patina. Hey, but don't hate the player, hate the game. Can't even hate the game. You got the sand to do it. Do it. The ability. Bring it out. Who doesn't love it? Tomorrow, probably going to be out in Pasadena, bring you some lowrider action, and the El Camino will be out there. Can't always be the same thing. I want to bring different things, different people, all walks of life. Let's go. Try some Mexican lager. Ice cold.
There you go.
Ice cold. Let's walking by the little hut, and she said, "Sir, looks like you have a problem." And I said, "You're right, but don't worry." Ladies and gentlemen, some people say, "Oh man, this guy over here drinking these beers seriously has a problem." But I no longer have a problem because I got a full cup. Some more action shots. Work under the hood. 60, 70-year-old cars. Gonna need some action. Little maintenance. Walk through. Beautiful Southern California day. Pomona Fairplex.
Where do you guys park?
LA Roadster
We
show.
got a little booth right here.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, fire seat's over there.
Then out here probably.
Some more of those. Is that normal spring hits on these things for the hood? Second one I've seen. I don't rather know. Back. What's the nose on this thing? What is this car? Where that nose is from. It says it's a 32. saying this is just the show part. Over there when we were walking through, coming in, the swap meet side had a boatload of cars too, so we might have to make this 2 parts. Do the show side, swap meet side. Run out from Texas, apparently. If it drove it out here, bless their soul. But almost another star sighting. I didn't see him. Elusive. That D-Lund Adventure guy. Love a good hood ornament. Yeah, there you people are gonna say, oh man, it's the Tapo. Maybe. Let's go. I should eat something too, huh? Get through, walk through all these cars. A lot of Fords. Of course, it was the highest manufactured vehicle back in the day. So, to no surprise, a lot of these things were around. Youngsters turn them into hot rods. Turning their dreams into reality. Bless them for keeping it going. And the good thing, I guess, about the swap meet side is they don't sell any beer over there, so on my way out, this guy won't have a problem. Have to walk it off. Walk it off. Walk it out. And all that good stuff. The windshield like that yellow one we just saw. Somebody's obviously manufacturing. Cadillac Dreams. Right. Everything's for sale. Cadillac. One of them. Shell over here, all fiberglassed up. Keep them the real Don Steele. This Camaro. Got some power under there. All kinds of vehicles out here. Let's go. We're out here in Pomona Fairplex. Beautiful, beautiful day. LA Roadsters. Lots of vehicles out here. Gonna go check out back there that swap meet action, and maybe that beer container one more time. Get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. Till the next time. Tomorrow, Pasadena, some lowriders. Today, hot rods, muscle. Let's go. You never know unless you go. We done came and went. Yeah, there we go. Bunch of styles. Hot rods.